Living here in Tampa, Florida, this year has been incredibly difficult.
September 2024, we got hit by Hurricane Helene. Just a week later, we got hit with Hurricane Milton. So we were prepared.
I did everything you're supposed to do. And then the storm hit.
Maybe it was 1 or 2 in the morning. My husband woke up because he felt dripping, and when he got out of the bed, he stepped on water. We hear water just coming in. Our street was like a river.
My husband wakes me up, he goes, Ange, you gotta get up, the roof just went. He wasn't joking, the roof went. So rain was coming through our ceiling and landing on us.
So me, my husband, my son, and our 2 dogs, we had to stay on the bed for about 7 hours in the dark until we finally stopped hearing the water.
You couldn't get a signal. Calls were dropping, if they were even going through.
I got a call from the traveler services, and they were like, Pfizer is gonna support you any way we can.
My manager sent out a communication to the whole Pfizer team here in Tampa, letting them know, here's my person's needs.
People did come and helped us throw our furniture out. Another group of colleagues got together and got us gift cards for restaurants, which was a lifesaver.
A bunch of my colleagues helped us load our belongings into storage.
Pfizer's support made me feel appreciated. My team covered for me for almost 2 weeks, and I appreciate that so much because I didn't worry about it at all, and everything was handled properly.
I just don't know what I would have done without the group from Pfizer, the resources that they provided, the connections that they had.
Pfizer Tampa, it's a family, and it's a great second home.
The culture that I see here is, we're in this together. Thank you for taking me on as one of your own. My concept of home used to be where your things were. My home is where my family is.
Home is being together, just the 3 of us, knowing that we have people that love us and will help us rebuild our lives, but mostly just being thankful.